Sanibonani, Phezang Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, besides being a businesswoman, a wife, a motivational speaker, a radio presenter, a TV presenter, a reality star, part of Tandones Temple production as well as the Ganiza's Temple production, Uthobile, she's a full-time influencer. For those who don't know, let me tell you, influencers, they do make money. I still remember Otoli Kapache once revealed Ogote, there was a brand that paid her close to 48,000 rand. There was this guy who revealed here on YouTube that he once got paid 200,000 rand. So do influencer guys, they do make money. So this is what Uthobile posted on her Instagram story. So Uthobile, she's partnered with Samsung Mobi SA, guys. Congratulations to Uthobile Msaleko. Let me tell you one thing about Uthobile, guys. She has a way of making money on social media, especially now. They are trending because of Tandones Temple season 8, so it's easy for them to make money. I still remember Mayeni, every time in Mayeni she's posting her business, after a few minutes it will say sold out. You know, guys, one thing about social media, as long as you have numbers, let me tell you, you can make money. Your life can change within 6 months. If you've been following Abo Grace Mondlana, Abo Mbales Kosana, guys, these people are making money. Abo Maki, the shopper queen, I think she made close to 120,000 rand. So guys, if you do have a social media, please, if you do have numbers, please use this opportunity to make money. I do understand we have the high rate of employment in South Africa, but trust me and believe, social media has money. About Uthobile, I know Uthobile, she doesn't have a 9 to 5, she has a business as well. You know, she's using every opportunity. She's not just sitting here thinking, with okay, I'm already a star, I'm a businesswoman, she's under construction, and we know that women in construction, they do make money. I mean, check out Mom Kiza, guys. I don't know how much Uthobile has on her bank account, but trust me and believe, they do make money. Uthobile, she will never sleep on an opportunity, guys. I wish Snake can use this opportunity to make money, guys. It's all about making money in 2025. I know that Jolo Samseleko is stressing them every day, but if there's one thing, Uthobile, she's not letting her marriage to stress her every day. She's using the opportunity that Msaleko gave them. At the end of the day, if it wasn't for Msaleko, we would have never know Tandones Temple, we've never met Uthobile. So guys, yes, Msaleko is stressing them every day, but at least he's giving them opportunity, equal opportunity to make money. And I'm happy that Uthobile, she's also using the same opportunity to make money. About Vuyokazi, I know some of you don't like me talking about Vuyokazi, but what I'm trying to say is that if you use opportunity to make money, I mean, just don't trend for nothing, guys. You know, imagine trending every day. You are trending all over the social media. Use that opportunity to make money. You could be a runner. You can start your online business. You can do anything, guys. You know, that's all I can say. It is Sunday. I know I don't want to make a lot of noise. What I'm saying is that I love the way Uthobile, she's using every opportunity to make money. If it was for her, probably, if it was somebody else, probably was not going to use this opportunity to make money. I mean, she's already has money, but I still don't understand when it comes to Msamseleko. According to Google, I'd say Msamseleko has 37 million, but she was unable to pay the hospital bills. It doesn't make sense why Uthobile should be the one busy paying the bills. Even Mangobe, guys, according to Google, it's like Mangobe, she's very rich. Mangobe, she has a money. I mean, she has a successful business. Let me tell you, oh my God, she has the money. But anyway, guys, that's all I have for today. I love you. Please, let's engage in the comment section, guys. It is Sunday. I know some of you are going to come for me, but please, guys, at least nowadays, I'm no longer saying, Kumal. I'm saying Uthobile Msaleko, you know, let's respect each other in the comment section. I love you guys. I really appreciate road to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for the opportunity that you guys. Without you, I'm nothing. But anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Let's go to church. Bye.